Hello boys and girls, today we're going to be covering the volume of a rectangular prism. But before we get into the volume, let's start with finding the area of a rectangle. A rectangle can be 4 by 2. It means that the base is 4 and the height is 2. Our base equals 4 and our height equals 2. And if we go back to our formula for area, area equals base times height. If we replace our values 4 times 2, we know that the area for this rectangle is 8 units squared. And this is because if we divide this into 2 rectangles and into 4 different squares on this other side, we can see there's a total of 8 squares in this rectangle. Well, let's turn this same rectangle into a 3-dimensional shape. I'll do it a little bit longer just because. Okay, so we turn this rectangle into a 3-dimensional shape, which will change our formula from just base times height to volume equals length times width times height. Height is still how tall it is. So if we know that it is 2 units tall, the length is how long it is. We knew that our rectangle was 4 units long. But now we have this 3-dimensional factor. The width is how deep or how far it goes into the 3rd-dimensional area. Well, let's say it is 3. Well, we know that this was 2 units and this was 4. So these 4 go this way as well. Now we know that this new width is 3. So this is going to be separated into 3. And this will also extend this way. Now, my drawing is not the best, but we know that our length is 4. Our width is 3, and our height is 2. Now, all we need to do is multiply length times width times height. So we got volume equals 4 times 3 times 2. 4 times 3 is 12. And 12 times 2 is 24. This means we have 24 units cubed. And the cube can be represented either by a 3, the word cube, or just CU with a period. That's the abbreviation. Now, how can we know that this is true? Well, let's look at this as if it were 2 layers. The first layer looks like this. Why does it look like this? Because we're using the 4 from the length and the 3 from the width to find that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So that's the first floor. Since we have 2 floors, because our height is 2, we need to multiply our height times 2. Sorry, that first amount by 2. So now first floor is 12, On the second floor, there's another 12, so 12 plus 12 is our 24 units cubed.